In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook pixel to your GoDaddy website seamlessly in just 5 minutes. This process is essential for leveraging Facebook's advertising tools effectively and understanding your audience's interactions with your website. So, let's dive straight in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you use the most. Then, go ahead and type GoDaddy in the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll see the GoDaddy website right there at the top of your search results. Go ahead and click on it to head over to their homepage. Now that you're on the GoDaddy website, the next step is to log in. You'll see the login option on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and use your email, Facebook, or Google account to log into your GoDaddy account. Using these options not only adds a layer of convenience, but also enhances security with familiar credentials. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. Find the Websites Plus Marketing section in your GoDaddy account. Here, you'll see a list of your websites associated with this account. Locate the specific website you want to add your Facebook pixel to. There's a Manage button next to each website listed. Click Manage for the website of your choice. Now you're in the management area for your website. You should see an Edit Website button, which opens the GoDaddy Website Builder. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to make adjustments and customizations to your site. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the right-hand side, where you'll find the navigation panel. Look for the Settings button and give it a click. This takes you to an area where you can make various configurations to your website. Here's where it gets specific to our task at hand. Within the Settings menu, you'll find the option labeled Metapixel. Select it. You'll be prompted to enter your pixel ID. This ID is something you've obtained earlier from your Facebook Events Manager. Simply copy and paste it into the provided box. Ensuring it's entered correctly is crucial to avoid any connectivity issues later on. Finally, with everything set up and double-checked, it's time to make it all official. Head over to the Publish button and click on it. This will save any changes you've made and activate the pixel on your website, allowing Facebook to start collecting data right away. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to add a Facebook pixel to your GoDaddy website. With these steps, you can take full advantage of Facebook's analytics tools to measure your ads' effectiveness better and understand your website visitors. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to click subscribe for more quick and helpful guides.